I want to go through Uber technology, Uber stock. You just paste it in Google and click enter Uber stock, and you'll see this information hopefully. That's the full name of the company, Uber Technologies Inc. And this is the symbol. And if I want to buy right now, I have to pay 43.31 US dollars for one stock. I can see the market cap is in billions. It means it's a big size firm, and dividend yield is none, so it doesn't pay any dividend. Companies who pay a dividend, this is an important thing to check, because if a company is paying a dividend, that means they are financially very, very strong. Because after paying their costs, liabilities, creditors, they still have money left. That extra money is paid to shareholders as dividends. So this means they're financially strong, that it's a positive sign. This firm does not pay any dividend. There could be two reasons. It could be maybe they're financially not strong. After paying their costs, liabilities, creditors, they don't have extra money left, so they might not be financially strong. Or maybe they have money, extra money left, but they choose to invest within the firm to expand further. So it could be either way. So you need to figure out what's the reason. Now let's go to Wikipedia and see when was this formed. I can see that it was founded in March 2009, 10 years ago. And then I can just copy this exactly from Google, and what I'll do is I'll click review Indeed, and I want to see the reviews of what employees have to say about it. We have 1100 reviews of Uber in Indeed, and it's 3.5 star, which is good. It's above average, and you can just read through the reviews yourself, the pros and cons, and what people like working about it, because they will tell you, a lot more from inside. So the more information you have, better. Let's check the reviews in Glassdoor, and you can see we have 7,700 reviews, which is quite a lot of reviews, and it's 4.3 stars. Brilliant. And you can just read through it as well, the pros and cons. And I want to go to Yahoo Finance and see what the executives are getting. And I can see there are a lot of names with Uber, but I want to click the one with the symbol, and I'll go to profile, and sector industry employees, and then I can see there are 5 employees, key executives, sorry. And I can see only 3 of their salaries have been shown. The 2 of them, it says not applicable. You need to find out why it's not applicable. Maybe it's not covered by Yahoo Finance, maybe some other website have shown the salary, because the more information we have, the more transparency, the more trust we are able to build. So you need to find out the reasons. Now let's go to Justia Patents and see what patents they have. I'll paste this in Justia Patents. And I'm not interested in inventor, because inventor are people who invented but they don't have full rights. I'm interested in applicant or assignee, because these are people who have full rights. Now Uber has a patent in 2012 filed a patent, yes, another patent in 2012, then another in 2012. So many patents in 2012, and then in 15, 15, 15, 14. So it has in 16, it's a lot of patents. Then in 16, 16, 15, 17, 16. So it has recent patents as well. That's brilliant. So it has quite a lot of patents, because the more patents a firm have, the more stronger it is in the market, and it's very difficult to beat that firm. And it tells that it has a stronger moat and it's very strong. So the more patents had, the better. So it has a lot of patents and a lot of recent patents as well. You can just go through the list yourself. That's brilliant. Now I want to see the ratios in my macro trend. Click price ratio, price book ratio, and then just paste in the symbol of Uber. And it might take some time to load. Be patient with this website, because it has a lot of data, that's why. But it has loaded, but we don't have any information regarding price book ratio on this website regarding Uber. So it's then I can't judge. Let's go to other ratios and see if it has any information about current ratio. Current ratio, I'll just explain you briefly. If the current ratio is less than 1, that means the stock is very risky. If the current ratio is 1.5 or more than that, that means stock is very safe. So let's have a look, but let it load first. So if you have any questions, or if I'm going too fast, or if you want me to repeat something, explain something in detail further, or if you want to suggest me something, please do. I love your suggestions, and I'd like to improve my videos or tutorials. And please suggest me in the discussion section of my YouTube channel, or if you want me to make some video on any stock that I haven't covered or any topic in particular, please let me know, and I would love to do that. Okay, so I'm looking for 1.5 or more than that. Right now it's more than 1.5. That's brilliant. In March 2019, it's more than 1.5. It's a safe stock. Previously, it's a safe stock. Yes. So since we have the data, it's a very safe stock. It's always been 1.5 or more than that. Let's go to debt equity. I'm looking for zero point 0.5 or less than that for it to be good. Debt equity means if the company is mainly operating on debt or equity. So I want to see 1.5 or less than that. Right now it's minus because equity is minus, so it's a minus sign. But if you just see vertically up, there's a lot of debt, 8 billion, and equity is in minus. So that means that the debt is more than equity, so it's mainly operating on equity, mainly operating on debt, sorry. So this is dangerous. If I go back, still equity is in minus and there's a lot of debt, so it's very dangerous. And yeah, so since we have the data continuously, the stock is mainly operating on debt. So it's a bit dangerous stock in terms of debt. Let's go to return on equity. I'm looking for 8% or more than that for it to be good. Let's have a look. Now, I just want to see, yes, it has loaded. We don't have any information regarding return on equity on this website, so I won't be able to judge it.